Hello and welcome to this Advanced Excel ECDL video. Today we will be looking at statistical functions. Statistical functions can be used to calculate whether certain cells meet specified criteria, whether they're blank, or they can rank cells within a range of cells. So, with statistical functions, we'll be looking at the COUNTIF function. This will count a range of cells if they meet a certain criteria. There's a COUNTBLANK function, which will count all of the blank cells which are selected in a range of cells. And then there's RANKEQ. This function ranks a selected cell out of a range of cells in order from top to bottom. So we'll have a look at COUNTIF function. So if you can produce a worksheet similar to this, we will perform the COUNTIF function based on the range of cells from B3 to B9, and the answer cell will be in B11. So on the Formulas tab, in the More Functions, or the Function Library group, click on More Functions and choose Statistical. Now there are a lot of functions here, so I'll have a look for COUNTIF. So here we'll select the range, so that's from B3 to B9. And the criteria that we will enter for this is greater than 40. So basically what you're telling Excel to do is count the number of cells that are greater than 40 and click OK. So you can see the function has been carried out and has counted 3 cells that are greater than 40. Now, for the COUNTBLANK function in cell B12, we're going to count all of the blank cells within the range B3 to B9. So, in cell B12, on the Formulas tab in the Function Library group, select More Functions, choose Statistical, and choose COUNTBLANK. Now what we simply do is select the range of cells that we want to count the blank cells and click OK. So Excel has counted 2 blank cells from this range of cells. Now in cell B13 we're going to use the RANKEQ function. So on the Formulas tab in the Function Library group, click on More Functions, Statistical, and scroll down to RANKEQ. Now in the number text box, we choose the number that we want to rank. So in this case we'll rank B5. Now the next text box will choose the range of cells to choose from and click OK. So it returns the number 3, meaning that this was the 3rd highest number within the selected range of cells. I hope you have found this video interesting. If you would like to find out more information about Advanced ECDL and Excel, you can click on the link below this video and it will take you to the DigiDiscover website where you'll find a range of books. Thank you.